Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat device ban instantly. If you have been banned by Snapchat, there are multiple ways to unlock your account. We recommend trying one or more of these methods to get unbanned from Snapchat. Method 1. Appeal your Snapchat ban. Open the Snapchat support page on your mobile and go to Contact Us. Then select I need help. Now select the I can't access my account option and choose the I see an error message when I log in. When prompted if you need more help, click yes. Fill out the form with your username and additional details, providing an explanation of the situation. Then, submit your request and hope for a positive outcome. It's important to note that if your account was banned for violating Snapchat's terms of service, the chances of a successful appeal might be low. However, if you believe the ban was a mistake, presenting a clear and concise appeal can help your case. Method 2. Use a virtual private network or VPN. To circumvent an IP address ban from Snapchat, a VPN can be an effective strategy. By using a VPN, your actual IP address is masked, and Snapchat, along with other websites and applications, will recognize the IP address of the VPN server instead. Method 3. Change your IP address to a dynamic IP. Method 4. Connect to a mobile hotspot. Method 5. Reset device ID. Method 6. Adjust date and time. Adjusting your device date and time is a method some users have explored to potentially circumvent a ban from apps like Snapchat. Here's a general overview of how this method could work. First, uninstall the Snapchat app from your device to ensure that it doesn't track the current ban status. Then, restart your device to refresh its system. After the reboot, visit your device settings and find the date and time. This can usually be found under General Management, and then switch off the automatic date and time setting, allowing you to manually set the date. It's suggested to move the date forward by at least 1 month to simulate the lapse of a typical temporarily banned period. Once you've adjusted the date, you can proceed to reinstall the Snapchat app and attempt to create a new account or log in. Disclaimer: while these techniques may help you regain access to Snapchat, remember to exercise caution and not follow them if you breach the platform's rules. Snapchat reserves the right to terminate any accounts created in violation of its terms of service. So, using these methods could lead to further action from Snapchat against any new accounts you set up. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.